Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix volume on Firestick. Let's go. Step 1. Open Settings. Open Controllers and Bluetooth devices. Other Bluetooth devices. Disconnect from all Bluetooth devices. If your volume buttons are not working, make sure that the HDMI CEC is turned on. If nothing helps, then open Settings, My Fire TV, Factory Reset, configure Firestick again. That's it. Now you know how to fix volume on Firestick. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.